Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You know, here in the kingdom, in our most demanding industries, success isn't just about output, it's about uptime, it's about safety, and it's about rock-solid reliability. Today, we're going to zero in on one of the smallest components out there, one that carries a massive responsibility.
Just think about that for a second. In your operation, whether that's an offshore rig, a refinery in Jabal, or a huge manufacturing plant, you know that every single part matters. But what happens when one of those parts is the only thing standing between you and a total shutdown? The cost. It's not just money, it's potentially catastrophic.
Let's be honest. The reality is that one single component failure can bring your whole operation to a grinding halt. We're talking oil and gas, manufacturing, even hospitals. One tiny failure can stop production, put safety at risk, and cost you millions of rials for every single hour you're down. This is exactly the kind of risk we're here to help you eliminate. Now, the solution I'm talking about, it's not just some random part you pull off a shelf. No, this is a high-integrity, engineered solution designed specifically for these high-stakes environments. We're talking about the API 20E tap end stud bolt. It might look simple, but believe me, it's the unsung hero that guarantees performance when everything is on the line.
So the strength of this component, it all starts with the material. This bolt is forged from something called ASTM A193 grade B7 steel. And this is not your everyday steel. It's a specialized chromium-molybdenum alloy that's been heat-treated for incredible strength. It's the certified foundation for withstanding the absolute harshest industrial environments we have here in the kingdom.
But here's what's really important. The material, that's only half the story. The API 20E certification, well, that covers the entire manufacturing process. It requires documented quality control, very specific heat treatments, and super rigorous testing. This standard is what ensures the bolt isn't just strong, but that it's made to the highest possible safety standard every single time.
And we can take this even one step further. Inside that API 20E standard, you have different levels. This bolt is certified to BSL-2. That stands for Bolting Specification Level 2. This is the classification saved for the most high-risk jobs. And it's for those critical connections. Think wellheads or blowout preventers, where failure is it's not an option, period.
Okay, so this slide really puts it all together. You've got the API 20E BSL-2 standard, the grade B7 material, and of course the specified grade 2H heavy hex nut to go with it. But check out that last line, full mill test certificates. What that means is every single bolt we provide is completely traceable, guaranteeing its integrity all the way from the steel mill right to your facility.
And this brings us to what might be the most critical decision of all. A certified bolt is crucial, of course, but where you get that bolt is just as important. Anyone can sell you a product, but what happens when you have a problem at 2 a.m. on a remote site? Is that supplier you just did a transaction with going to be there for you? The real danger isn't the part failing, it's your partner failing. So let's look at the two paths you can take. There's the risky way, going with overseas suppliers, which often means unverified quality, long delivery delays, and absolutely zero local support when something goes wrong. Now compare that to our approach, the AskA solution way. We are Aramco and ISO certified, we have inventory right here in the kingdom for fast delivery, and we don't just ship you a box, we provide a full-service, long-term partnership.
Tayyib. This is where we are different. This is where we really prove our value. It's not just about selling a part, it's about providing a complete solution that actually gives you peace of mind. This is the AskA Solution Advantage.
We've built our entire service around what you actually need. First, we're your approved local partner. We deliver top-tier quality at great prices, and we deliver it anywhere in the kingdom. And maybe most importantly, we offer a full turnkey service with lifetime local support. It's the whole package, from start to finish.
Let's break that down a bit. Being Aramco approved and ISO certified, that's not just a logo on our website. That is our promise of quality to you. Our engineers will work with your team to make sure you get the exact right component. We deliver fast from our local hubs, whether you're in Dammam, Jubail, Riyadh, Jeddah, it doesn't matter where you are. And our service doesn't stop at the delivery gate. Our team provides the full installation and becomes your local partner for all after-sale maintenance and support.
So when you boil it all down, it's really about a shift in thinking. We're asking you to stop seeing this as just another item on a purchase order. Start thinking of it as a strategic investment in the safety, the security, and the uptime of your entire operation. You're not just buying a part, you're investing in a complete solution from a partner you can actually trust. So the real question is, are you ready to move past just buying things? Are you ready to secure your critical operations with a dedicated, local, Aramco-approved partner who truly understands your challenges and is right here with you for the long haul?
Shukran.
We truly believe that by working together, we can build a more reliable, safer, and more productive future for your operations. Please contact us today for a technical consultation. We're ready to be your partner in success.